Every day, massive steel giants, longer than skyscrapers are tall and heavier than entire cities, silently cross the oceans. They carry food, fuel, cars, and almost everything you use in daily life. But have you ever wondered how something weighing hundreds of thousands of tons is even built and how it floats? The story of how ships are made is a story of precision, engineering, and human effort on an almost unimaginable scale. Every ship begins long before any steel is cut. Naval architects and marine engineers first design the vessel using advanced computer models. These designs calculate everything: how much cargo the ship will carry, how it will stay balanced in rough seas, how fuel efficient it must be, and how the hull will interact with water resistance. Even a small error in design can make a ship unsafe or inefficient. Engineers also follow strict international regulations set by organizations like the International Maritime Organization, ensuring the ship meets safety, environmental, and structural standards. Once the design is finalized, construction begins at a shipyard. Thick steel plates, sometimes over 20 centimeters thick, are delivered and cut using computer-controlled plasma or laser cutters. These steel plates are shaped into massive sections called blocks. Each block can weigh hundreds of tons and represents a portion of the ship, such as part of the hull, engine room, or deck. Welding teams then join these plates together with extreme precision because even a few millimeters of misalignment can affect the ship's strength. Unlike smaller vessels, large ships are not built all at once. Instead, they are assembled block by block, like a giant three-dimensional puzzle. Huge cranes, some of the largest machines ever built, lift these blocks and place them together in dry docks. As each section is joined, inspectors test welds using X-rays and ultrasound to ensure there are no hidden cracks. At this stage, the ship slowly takes its recognizable shape, stretching hundreds of meters from bow to stern. Inside the hull, engineers install the heart of the ship, the engine. Some ship engines are among the largest engines ever made, standing several stories tall and producing tens of thousands of horsepower. Inside the engine, thousands of kilometers of cables and pipes are installed to power navigation systems. Electricity, freshwater systems, air ventilation, fire suppression, and navigation technology are all carefully tested, because failure at sea is not an option. When construction reaches a critical stage, the ship is launched into water for the first time. Engineers ensure the ship's weight distribution is perfect so it enters the water safely. Before carrying cargo or passengers, the ship undergoes sea trials. Engineers test speed, steering, braking, fuel efficiency, and emergency systems in real ocean conditions. The ship is pushed to its limits to ensure it can survive storms, heavy waves, and long voyages. Only after passing all inspections and certifications is the ship officially delivered to its owner. From raw steel to a moving city on water, shipbuilding is one of humanity's greatest engineering achievements. Over 90% of global trade depends on ships like these, quietly connecting nations, economies, and people. Next time you see a ship on the horizon, remember, it's not just metal and engines. It's the result of science, craftsmanship, and thousands of human hands working together to keep the world moving.